What does the Harvard Business Review, the Economist magazine, and Doc Brown from the Back to the Future series have in common? They'll all tell you that if you follow up with leads faster, you'll have better results.
Great Scott!
Most salespeople only follow up on leads once. And what we're here to talk about today is using Spiro, how you can keep organized and follow up on all your leads in a timely, efficient fashion. All right, let's talk about getting leads into Spiro. Basically, there are three ways to get leads into Spiro. One is getting an Excel file, maybe a list of contacts from a trade show, or an export from a system that can give you a list of projects that are coming up. Maybe a customer's emailed you, or maybe, somebody's filled in a form on the website. All of those are going to generate leads for you. Let's see how those get into Spiro. And now for possibly the most boring part of this demo, let me show you how you can just drag a list that you get from like a trade show directly into Spiro. Just drag it in, select a couple of things, and boom, you can import your lead list to get ready to be following up with. Let's say you got an email from a prospect who seems like they might actually be interested in what you're offering. All you need to do is forward it along to assistant@spiro.ai. Spiro will read the email, create a contact if necessary, create a company if necessary, and then create a brand new lead for you to follow up with. And the third way, of course, is by getting a form on your website like this form, having somebody type in their information, and boom, having the information come directly into Spiro. Now you see in the last two cases, a pop-up showed you immediately that you had a new lead and there was something to follow up with. That's helpful because, of course, we know the quicker that you respond to these leads, the happier Doc Brown will be, but also the more likely that the prospect is to go with you. Now that all of our leads are in Spiro, this is where the fun begins. Spiro's assistant will remind you to follow up on all the leads that you've received. You can just go down the list. Make a call, send an email, make a call, send an email. And Spiro will not let you forget about any of these contacts that are super important to you. So let's go ahead and see how we make a call from Spiro. What I do is I just click on the phone number of a contact. Spiro's phone will pop up, enabling you to call them. If you actually get somebody on the phone, it'll transcribe the call, and the AI can help you draft a follow-up email. But let's say we left a voicemail. We can just go right ahead and send them a follow-up email. Maybe use the AI to draft it to be super productive. But here's the point. All of your leads are in this one list, so you can be super organized without doing any work and just go after them one after the other until you generate business for your firm. So at Spiro, we can't offer you a DeLorean to take you to the future whenever you like. What we can do is provide you with an AI automated way to get all of your leads into a system automatically and make sure that you're following up with them in a timely basis so that maybe you could buy your own DeLorean. Who knows?